Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Homemade chicken stock, a kitchen essential that brings depth, warmth, and real homemade flavor to countless global recipes. Whether you're making soups, pasta, pulao, stews, or everyday Indian dishes, a good stock instantly lifts the taste and gives your food that professional restaurant-style richness. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for homemade chicken stock. This simple yet powerful recipe uses fresh vegetables, warm spices, herbs, and chicken cooked with bones to release natural collagen, giving the stock a smooth, full-bodied texture. The flavors come together slowly to create a base that works beautifully for both Indian cooking and global cuisine. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious homemade chicken stock. Step 1. Preparing the chicken. Take 1 kg of chicken with bones. We have used chicken curry cuts. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Apply the salt nicely to the chicken. Cover and keep aside. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, a small bunch of parsley. If parsley is not available, you can use coriander or cilantro leaves. 1-inch piece of ginger, 8 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut the onion, tomatoes, carrots, and celery into cubes. Cut the ginger, garlic, and parsley finely. Take 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs, which contains equal proportions of oregano, basil, rosemary, and thyme. 15 black peppercorns, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Step 3. Preparing the chicken stock. On medium heat, in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic pieces. Stir it nicely. After a minute, add the ginger pieces and stir. After a minute, add the bay leaves, cinnamon, and crushed peppercorns. Stir everything nicely. After a minute, add the onion cubes. Stir everything properly. After around 2 minutes, add the chicken. Cook the chicken for around 10 to 12 minutes and let it brown all over. This browning of the meat produces excellent flavors and aromas. Stir frequently to prevent it from sticking to the pan.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Cover and cook. Stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Once the chicken is cooked for around 12 minutes, add the tomato cubes, celery cubes, carrot cubes, and finely cut parsley. Ingredients used in the chicken stock helps to support our immune system. Chicken stock is made with bones and cartilage, hence contains collagen, which is beneficial for our body. Chicken stock helps our body to build and repair healthy muscles, bones, skin, and blood cells. Add the cumin or jeera powder. Add the garam masala powder. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add the black pepper powder. Add the mixed herbs. Add the vinegar. Vinegar helps to extract the minerals from the chicken bones to produce a rich stock. Add 8 cups or 2 liters of water. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Cover and cook on medium heat for at least 1 hour or until the liquid quantity has reduced almost by half. Chicken stock can be used in a variety of dishes like soups, stews, pasta, pulao, etc. Once done, strain the chicken stock. Save the chicken meat for later use and discard the bones. We got around 4 cups or 1 liter of chicken stock. Our wholesome chicken stock is ready. Do post a comment and give us your feedback on this recipe. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.